Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about math operation. So if you study math, and you have to study math in your high school or wherever, so you do different type of operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and remain, and whatever. So in this video we will discuss how we do this operation in Python. So instead using PyCharm, I will go and use this one, which is the terminal, which will be easy for you and for me to keep track. So let me just clear the screen and make sure everything is good. Yeah, everything is good. So to get started, I will type Python 3, just go because I'm in Mac. So to do operations, so think about addition. You want to add 3 plus 2. So what you do, just write 3, then plus, then 2. If you hit enter, you will see 5. So you could do easily add operation between two values, 3 plus 2. You could say 3 plus 2 plus 10, which should be 15, should be. Yes, that's great. So you could do add operation between more than one operation. Normally, same as you do it in normal math. So add. Same thing in subtraction. If I say 3 minus 2, should be 1. Same thing in division. If I say 3 over, first multiplication, 3 multiplied by 2 should be 6. What about the division? Think about 10 divided by 3. How much you think the remain? The remain is 3.3. Yes, because the division of 10 over 3 should be 3.3. What if you want only the fixed part? You don't need this part. You don't need the float part. How you do it? Easily you say 10, not one division, use 2 division over 3. If you click enter, you will see 3 only. So if you want to see the remainder also, like the parts, you would say you add 1 division. If you don't want to see the part, you just add 2 division. And this is the process. So what about if you want to see the remainder? What do I mean by remainder? Let's suppose you will use it a lot. So if I say 10 remain by 2, how much you think the remain by 2? It should be 0 because there is no remain from 10 and 2, because 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 should be 10. What about 10 remain by 3? Should be 1. Is that right? Because 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9. Could I add more? No, because I will be 11. So 9, how much the remain is 1. So what about 10 the remain by 4? So do you know how much? So 4 plus 4 should be 8. How much is the remain? 2. See, 2. So you know the remain mean like it's math operation. That mean, hey, how much value will be remain from this process. Hopefully I just clear it. I cannot clear everything. I say Control K will be better for me to clear this output. So this is that different type of data of process I could do it. Easily you could say 10 plus 11 minus 12, whatever. Click enter. You could see the process. I will discuss in details in this video about how to do different process in one line, but you could do it. Well, you see, until now we don't have any value saved, so it's better to save this value in variable. So it's better to say x equal 10, for example, y equal 11. So now I have x and y. So if I say z equal x plus y, that's mean, hey, I have a new variable named z. So if you click z and y, say 21. From where the 21 came? Okay, I have x equal 10, y equal 11. So x plus y should be 21. I added this 21 inside a new variable named z. It's just straightforward process, but you have to understand it because we will do a lot of this process in our code. So this is basically how it's work. So yeah, how we could do addition. So the easily with using variables, now I could do subtraction for x and y. I say x minus y. He told you minus 1. If you want to save it in variable, so you say sub equal x minus y. And if you write sub now, you will see the value in the sub. So this is basically the idea for it. So yes, this is what I want to discuss with you. And this is basically how you could do any math operation in programming. And I hope you understand well. And thank you for watching and see you next.